wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you beauty and hairstyle, so let's get styling. So I'm going to divide my hair into two sections, spray some water to keep my hair moisturized and make product easy to penetrate my hair. So after that, I'm just going to apply this gel to my hair, but I'm not applying it on the ends, on my ends. And then after that, I'm just going to brush it to make it lay flat, and then flatten it up with a brush, and then just put it in a bun. It's just as easy as that. So for the ends of my hair, I'm going to use my shea butter to apply it and then twist it down to protect my ends, because it's really important for your ends to be protected in a protective style. So then I'll just do the same thing to the other side, okay? And then after that, I just let the hair to dry up. So I did let my hair to air dry for a while, and then it's not really dry now, but we can work with it. So I'm going to prep my clip-ins, spray some water to it to revive the curls. So I'm going to drop the link in the description box below in case you want to get it. This is beautiful. I've used it for a while and it's still excellent as it is. Okay, so then I'm going to wrap it. I'm going to just clip it in around my hair, around my little bun, and then I also do the same thing to the other side. So once I am sure of the size of the hair, how big or small I want it, I'm just going to fold the hair and wrap it around my bun, just like that. I mean, we are almost done. How beautiful. This is how it is. I feel like it's too small. It makes me look like a baby. So I'm going to put more to it. So since you're not here to be looking like some 2-year-old, like mama, tata, so I'm going to apply more clip-ins to the hair just to level it up, okay? So to add a little bit of humph to it, I'm going to add in like a little baby hair just hanging around at the side, but I'm not going to add so much, just a little bit, just very, very small. And there we have it, a simple, sweet, wonderful hairstyle. So to finish up my look, I'm going to use this MAC lipstick to just make everything pop. And there you have it. This is the hairstyle. Looking neat, looking nice, simple. Don't forget, simple 5 minutes. So to complete the look, I'm going to show you guys easy outfit to match up this wonderful look. And as you are looking at the outfit, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget it, because we are done. And subscribe to my channel, okay? Turn on the notification button so anytime I post a video you can see it. And alright, kisses. Mwah.